All right, guys, last problem. Let's see what we got going on. Y equals x squared minus 5x, and that's happening at x equals 0. So if you look, when x equals 0, y is 0. So this is going through the origin, okay, which I already knew. Okay, so let's see. This guy right here, what's it look like? And we know it's a parabola. It opens up. We know it goes through the origin. So if I take a look at finding the other root, all I got to do is factor out a GCF, and I'm left with x minus 5. So we know it's going through 0, 0, and it's also going through 5, 0 right there. Okay, and so don't make fun of my parabola. Okay, we have a guy that looks like that. Okay, so right here at 0, 0, you figure we're going to have a tangent line that's certainly going down from left to right, so it's a decreasing line, so we should have a negative slope. Okay, all right, so let's see what we got. The limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h, so it'd be 0 plus h, minus f of x, which would be 0 again, all over h. Okay, so we get the limit as h approaches 0 of, well, 0 plus h is just h. So I'm going to get h squared minus 5h. Yeah, I'm saying h squared and I'm writing x. That makes no sense. Okay, so h squared minus 5h, okay, minus f of 0 is just 0, so that's 0 all over h. So boy, this guy's an easy one. So we get the limit as h approaches 0. Well, notice this 0 goes away, so I'm just left with h squared minus 5h over h, and then we divide out an h, so I'm going to get h minus 5. Okay, so as h goes to 0, I get a limit of negative 5. Okay, so that means the slope of the tangent line is negative 5, which would make sense. We know it's going to be a decreasing line. Okay, so let's see. We've got a tangent, and we've got a normal line. Okay, so the slope of the tangent line is negative 5, and it goes through the origin. We know that. Okay, the normal line is perpendicular to the tangent line, so the slopes have to be opposite reciprocals of each other. So the opposite reciprocal of negative 5 is positive 1/5, but it's still going through, okay, the same point, 0, 0. Okay, so this is about as easy as it gets. Y minus 0 equals negative 5 times the quantity of x minus 0. So we're going to get y equals negative 5x. Okay, and we have our tangent line. Okay, right here we get y minus 0 equals 1/5 times the quantity of x minus 0. So we get y equals 1/5 x. And there we go. It is that simple. Okay, and we'll be working on problems like this during the week. Okay, so we'll just keep plugging away at it. See you guys soon.